Good morning, students. Today we will study last topic of our chapter, that is operation on integers. So let us proceed. First we are going to discuss over addition and subtraction. So you can see here are four cases. In the first case, both numbers are positive, plus and plus. If you have two positive integers, then final answer on adding or subtracting, you will get positive. So let us see example for this. If you have two positive integer plus 2 and plus 5, plus 2 and plus 5, then answer will be plus 7. So sign will be positive, you can see from here. And operation, what operation we have applied here? Plus 2 and plus 5. On adding 5 and 2, we are getting plus 7. Similarly, for next case is if you have two integers, one is positive and another is negative, then final answer will be whatever will be answer, but you can see here sign will be negative and operation will be negative, and I have written here that sign will be of greater number. So let us see example for this case. Second case is the example. So here plus 2 and minus 5. First number is positive and second number is negative. So which is greater? Greater number is 5 and the sign on 5 is negative. Therefore final answer will got the sign negative. And what operation you will apply here? Operation will be negative. So negative means minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So let us see next case. Next case is plus minus plus. Same B and C part are both same, but just you can see this example. Minus 2 plus 5. First number is negative and second number is positive. So here the greater number is 5 and 5 has positive sign. Therefore the final answer will also get the positive sign. And the last case is very important. Last case is saying that both the number are of negative sign. If both the number of negative sign, then final answer will be of negative sign and operation will be plus. So for example, you can see last case minus 2 and minus 5. The given integers are minus 2 and minus 5. Both the number are negative. So here sign will be negative and answer will be, what operation you will apply here? Operation will be 5 and 2 means plus. 5 plus 2, 7. So now come to multiplication. Now multiplication is very easy. You can see here for multiplication, operation will be multiply for all the cases. Only for the sign you have to take care. So in the first case, if both the numbers are positive, then the sign will be positive. You have to multiply in all the cases, but in the first case, if both number are positive, then sign will be positive. If any one of the number is negative, then the sign will be negative. Here one number is negative, then negative. In third case, one number is negative, then answer will be of negative sign. And in last case, if both the number are negative, then answer will be of positive. So let us see the example for all the cases. For the first case, If one number is positive and another number is also positive, plus 2 plus 5, then answer will be plus 10. 5 2 are 10 plus 10. If one number is minus and another number is plus, then answer will be minus. If one number is minus and plus, then answer will also be minus. And if both number are minus, then minus minus become plus, plus 10. So now I am discussing some special cases related to multiplication. If number of negative integers in product are even, then product is positive. So which means that if negative integers are even in numbers, then answer will be also positive. So for example, you can see here minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. How many times minus 2 is written or negative is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 is a even number. Therefore, answer will be of positive sign. And if here we are writing minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 up to odd number of times, then answer will be of negative. So this is the point for negative integers. If number of negative integers in product are odd integers, are odd, then product is negative. So you can count 1, 2, 3 up to 5 and answer will be of negative sign. Next point is keep negative integers always in brackets. For example, plus 2 plus bracket में minus 5 and plus bracket minus 7. So what will be the answer? You should write yourself. So this is the last case of our operations, and this is division. So in the first case, you can see if both number are positive, then answer will be of positive sign, and operation will be the same for the entire cases. And in the second case, if first number is negative and second is positive, then answer will be of negative. Means if any one of the denominator and numerator will be of negative, then answer will be also negative. And if both number are negative, then answer will be of positive sign. So in below I have given some examples, so you see yourself. Thank you.